Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making for you tofu soft tacos, and I am using the extra firm tofu. And you want to get the tofu that's extra firm so when you get ready to crumble it, it will crumble as if you're making like crumbled hamburger. This right here is very, very wet. It has a lot of water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry it out with a clean cloth. So any cloth that you're choosing, and we just wrap it up and press down gently. Press down, and you have to do this a couple times, and you'll see the wetness of like how wet it is. I mean, it just has a lot of excessive water to it. So you want to get that all dried out. And so that's what I'm just doing. And I'm going to flip it a couple times, and then you're going to see how wet this towel gets. Just dry it out as much as you can. But after you get done, it's still going to be sort of wet and spongy like. But you see all the water, how wet the towel is. So, it's just like falling apart. And so you just kind of, get it apart, crumble it. But I put on my blue gloves and just crumbled it. I kept on meshing it together and getting it as crumbled as I can. And then I'm going to go for the seasonings and put on some, you can use any seasonings you like, but I'm going to use the seasonings that I'm going to do today. But to make taco tofu, I mean, you may want to use taco seasoning or fajita, whatever you choose. But I'm going to use some onion powder. Then I'm going to use some garlic powder. I love my seasonings. I love trying new things. And then I'm going to use some chili powder as well. Now, I don't want to overdo this because I am going to eventually put in taco seasoning. But I also use the Sazon, the Goya, the red packs, because I do want my tofu to be colored. So I like it a little reddish orange, as if I'm really eating hamburger meat. I don't want to eat it really clear like white because it makes me feel like I'm eating some kind of concrete. So I just use my extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. I keep that in my kitchen at all times because I don't use regular vegetable oil or like coconut oil, See, I just use my olive oil. So I'm going to be adding in some red onion, and I just chop and just throw it in just for extra flavor. Now you can omit this, do it as you will, add, take out, and I did add in a little bit of cilantro, and there goes my taco seasoning. I chose the brand of Old El Paso. I used to use Ortega all the time, but Old El Paso is really, really good. So that's just how it looks, and it looks like real hamburger meat, but it is tofu, guys, and it's really, really delicious. This is an acquired taste, so you have to really, at first you'll probably put a lot of seasonings, but yeah. So now I'm just got a little cilantro, so I made my own pico de gallo. I used what I had. I had cherry tomatoes. I cut them up and cut up some more red onion. And with the soft tacos, you can fry them, in a little bit of olive oil to make them a little bit more crisp, or I just warmed mine up in the microwave. And I was kind of a little bit in a rush because I was hungry. And so those are the tortillas that I use, and my Kobe Jack cheese. You can use anything, pepper jack. I mean, they got all kinds of Mexican cheese out there. You could grade your own, make it how you want to make it. And then I just added in the sour cream. But at the end, I didn't show you this. I did add in some black beans. So I took a can, rinsed them, and I added in black beans. Oh my gosh, this was so delicious, you guys. So this is a more healthier version. So I'm doing more healthier versions of things on this channel. And hopefully I'll stay right there. But thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.